Greetings from Les Arcs. We're here for a little mini adventure over the bank holiday weekend. We're in Les Arcs to start with, and we're staying at the Radisson Resort, Les Arcs 1950. It's the village complex. It's amazing. We're just sort of settling in. We're in like an apart hotel, which I'll show you around a little bit. Just to quickly let you know, if you want to see a room tour, there's a separate video. Pretty nice to have the comfort of a hotel, but also have the option to cook for yourself and, you know, enjoy some of the French food available from the shops around. So it's pretty good. We are just going to enjoy a glass of wine because we've been travelling since ridiculous o'clock this morning. Enjoy a glass of wine on the balcony, then we're going to go for a little bit of a wander, explore the area a little bit, go for dinner, and then tomorrow we've got a sunrise hike. So yeah, might have to be an early one tonight, might have to enjoy a bit more of see what the nightlife, if there is a nightlife here, tomorrow night. So we'll do that, but for now I'm gonna go and enjoy my glass of wine. And my husband loves me. Don't you?
Comes and goes.
So this is wine that we got from Intermarché on the drive up from Intermarché in Bourg-Saint-Maurice. So that was good. So we've got a few bits in. Obviously the cheese, yeah, all the necessities are in there. How are you feeling about it, Brooks?
It's good. It's pretty. It's interesting to see it in the summer. I think in the winter it had a sort of Christmas village kind of feel about it. We'll take you around outside so you can see kind of how it looks now, and you have to use your imagination a bit. Imagine it all covered in snow and be fairy lights and twinklies and all that kind of thing. But no, it looks really nice. Nice drive up here. Quite a long drive from Geneva, so we've been driving for about 3 hours. But we've got a car here. And we'll be heading back down to Annecy and over to Morzine a little bit later in the weekend, so stay tuned.
We just got checked in and we're put our cases down, and now we're having a little explore of the area and seeing what's going on. La Petiteuse. Nick has a new hat. Not that you don't have any hats at all to come from.
Yes! Oh, I love a trucker.
Oh no, that's awesome. It's 4:40 in the morning. I'm gonna keep really quiet as I walk through the town. We're off on our sunrise hike. So So, we've made it up and we're here for the sunrise. Unfortunately, it's a little bit cloudy, so I don't know if we're going to see very much. You weren't going to see anything. We were going to GoPro it, but you weren't going to see very much coming up because we couldn't see very much. But yeah, it's a beautiful view. Just stopped for a cup of tea. Nick's playing with the drone. Just take you up here. We've finally emerged after our sunrise hike. Hang on, I'm just negotiating some slanted stairs. And we're out and we're just going to go find a croissant and some coffee. That up there is the brand new ski lift that's opening this winter. And those of you who don't like the cold, you'll be pleased to know it's got heated seats, which is pretty snazzy and always nice to have a warm tush before you embrace the snowy elements. Nick is about to attempt be careful. Oh, now you're determined. Oh.
Stop that.
Ready for this? Look at that! Lots of bananas and a whole banana in there. Bon appetit! Now off to the spa for our well-earned spa trip and massage. So we've had a wicked day today, a really early start, and had a spa this afternoon, a bit of relaxing time, which is quite rare for me and Nick because we tend to have such active trips that we never actually get a chance to sort of, you know, chill out really. First time, I think we've done that in quite a while. So we enjoyed a lovely little spa, Went in the sauna, had a swim, etc. So that was really nice. And we've come out for a drink first, and then we're going to have some dinner. Can't decide where we're going to go for dinner just yet, but we've popped into an Irish pub. So we're in an Irish pub called Les Belles, I think it is Les Belles something. So we're here for a little drink and just to carry on chilling out. It's very rare that we ever get to relax, so this is quite a rarity that we ever get to relax. So it's quite nice really for us both. Tomorrow's quite a bit of a mixture of some chill, some active stuff, so it's all pretty exciting. I'm just going to enjoy this this evening. Pizza!
So we're in Nonna Lisa. Very traditional French style restaurant. It's really cute actually. They've got some big badass cheese going on over there. But we're actually having pizza, which might seem strange in France, but we're actually about 3 or 4 miles from Italy. So in that direction, trying to figure out where so Le Rosier is over there, on the other side of the valley, and on the other side of Le Rosier is Italy. So from here, if you wanted to drive to Chamonix, you could drive in that direction, go through the Mont Blanc tunnel from the Italian side and into Chamonix. It would only take about an hour. So we're actually really, really close to
So not too far.
That's my excuse for having pizza.
Justifying the pizza with Nick Brooks.
With geography.
And that. So Nick's gone back to the hotel room. I've just picked up some lift passes for walking passes because oh, speak of the devil, he's just come to meet me. So just saying, we picked up some walking passes. We were meant to be mountain biking, but we're not now because we're a little bit short on time because we're supposed to have a spa treatment yesterday. Bit of a mix-up. We've got it today instead, which is still fine, but it's a little bit tight on time. So we're going to go to the mountain for a little bit of a walk, and then we've just been invited out for some beverages with the tourist board. So that's going to be good fun as well.
What I wanted to show you is Mont Blanc has been the sort of centre of my skiing, snowboarding life for the past 15 years. I've lived in Chamonix, which is obviously at the base of Mont Blanc. We've been to Chamonix in the summer. Now we're on the other side of the mountain, and this is our view here in Les Arcs of Mont Blanc. It might be a bit bright. That's pretty cool, right? Oh, we're right in the shade, that's why. I'll come back around this side. Right, so I can't actually see.
I can't see a thing. So bright,
there we go.
so sunny.
Ah, there we go. Then we'll take the mountain, and then we'll take you out.
So buses are free to use in resort to the different areas, but in the summer they're on the hour. Not sure how it is for the winter, but they're on the hour, and so we missed one, so we've taken ourselves a really nice drink. What's starting to become one of our firm favourites here. So we're just finishing off, and then we're going to go get the bus and then go for an outdoor swim, which I'm really excited about. Then it's back here, we're going to go up the mountain, do some walking, and then head to the spa before heading out for some food.
So, good evening from Le Mazot. This is the nicest restaurant in 1950. So there's some pizza restaurants and some kind of relaxed restaurants. This place is just that little bit step up. It's absolutely beautiful. The service is really nice. We've just been and met our friend, who's the manager of the whole complex, Natalie. She's taken care of us, and we've been and had a little chat with her, and now we've come for some dinner. So we've had a really good day. We've been right up the mountain, which you may or may not be able to see. Let it just adjust itself. Yep. So we actually went pretty much up there. We've got some drone footage to show you as well. As you can see, it's kind of 7 o'clock at night, and that's what the view still looks like. So that's pretty special. We've been to the spa, which is all part of the same complex as well, and had a couples massage overlooking Mont Blanc. Again, we've got some brilliant photos to show you. And Annie's going to take you through what she's going to eat for food.
I am when I can actually make a decision with my life. I can never make a decision. However, they have actually got a special menu, which I'm quite interested in because it's a lot of local sort of food, and whenever myself and Nick travel, we like to try a bit of local cuisine. So the last time I had tartiflette, which is a very local cuisine in the Savoyard, and now there's this one here, which is a sort of, what's the word I'm looking for? What's the word I'm looking for?
Like a prefix?
That's what I'm after, a prefix sort of menu, and there's so much good stuff on here. There's meat, there's cheese, there's creme brulee, there's jalapeno liqueur. It's kind of a winner. There is too much else on the menu that I could be here for days trying to make a decision, which if any of you know me, know that me making a decision probably takes days. So I'm going to stick with the menu that is set and pick something from there.